The three main reasons why Raptor fasteners saves you time and money. First, Raptor fasteners can be cut, sanded, sawed, and shaped without blade or sander belt damage. Therefore, there's no shutting down your production line to repair a damaged blade, bit, or to change out a torn sander belt. The cost and time to replace damaged sander belts, router bits, and blades are greatly reduced, and so is your frustration. Second, Raptor eliminates the need for clamping devices and time waiting for glue to dry. So Raptor fasteners also save the waiting and labor time. Third, Raptor nails will never rust or corrode, and therefore don't need to be countersunk in your material. Just leave the nails proud and then sand and paint or stain right over them. No need to putty. This saves time and money. Use Raptor fasteners and you will experience savings in labor, time, and material replacement costs.